Want to learn how to create your own Cricut stickers all in one go? This is the video just for you. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create 4-in-1 Cricut sheets using your Cricut machine. Let's jump right in. We are going to open Cricut Design Space and we're going to upload our designs. You can either get your designs from Creative Fabrica, create your own on Canva, or purchase yours on Etsy. For the purpose of this video, I'm going to upload the ones I already have there, but I'm going to show you how to upload from your download folder into Cricut Design Space. What you're going to do is click on Upload Image, then click on Browse, and we're going to choose an image from here so you'll know how to upload the design to Cricut Design Space. And we're going to choose this one. Once selected, it would upload. We're going to go to the next page and we're going to click continue. In here, you have the option to remove the background, but since this one doesn't have anything to remove, we're going to just continue. And then we're going to choose flat graphic, continue, and then we're going to let it upload. Then we're going to continue. It will then upload it to your canvas on Cricut Design Space. The next, we're going to just choose from the ones that I already pre-uploaded. We're going to choose 3 designs because we're going to do 4 stickers to create 4 Cricut sheets on one whole project. Once we have all the designs, we're going to highlight all of them and we're going to reduce the size so we can view them better. After this, we're going to go to shape and we're going to get a square. This square is going to be nothing. We're just going to use it to see our offset that we're going to create for our designs. So we're going to make it bigger and we're gonna move it to the back so that our stickers can come to the front. And then we're gonna go to offset and then we're gonna choose an offset number that will create the sticker or the outline. We will then create an outline around the design. That's the offset, and we're gonna make it thin but not too thin. We then choose our offset number and we will click apply. This will create a black offset background. Then we're gonna go to operation and we're gonna change from print and cut to basic. After that, we're gonna check if you need contour, but we don't. So what we're gonna do is highlight the offset on layers and change the color to white, and then highlight both the sticker design and the offset color, and we're gonna attach them. So we're done with that one. We're gonna go on to the next one and we're gonna do the same thing. We're gonna go to offset. We're gonna use the same offset number. We're just gonna click apply. Then we're gonna go to operation and change it to basic. We need to remove those little holes or the Cricut will cut through that. So we're gonna go contour and hide all contour. Then we're gonna change the color of the offset to white. Then we're gonna highlight the design and the offset to attach them. And we're gonna do the same thing with the other 2 designs. Once we're done with that, we're going to delete our square. We're going to go back to shapes and we're going to get a rectangular. And then we're going to size it to 1/4 of the sheet, which is 3.375 by 4.5. In order for us to customize the size, we're going to unlock the lock proportion so that we can manually add our measurements. So that's gonna be 3.375 by 4.5, and then we're gonna lock the proportions so it doesn't change the size. Once we do that, we will size our sticker down and we'll make our screen bigger. We're gonna highlight the square and we're gonna duplicate it 8 times. This is the way we're gonna trick the Cricut machine so that it becomes a Cricut sheet. Then we're gonna highlight all of them, we're gonna center them, and we're gonna attach them. Once we do that, we're gonna highlight our rectangulars and we're gonna send them to the back. Then we're gonna move all of our stickers and size them down so that they can fit on the sheet. We're going to highlight the whole thing so we can move it to the center, and then we're going to zoom in so we can better see how to fix our stickers and better size them into the sheet. Once we have all the stickers fit in the sheet, we're going to highlight the whole thing. We're going to attach it. Before we do anything, we're going to highlight all the rectangulars to change the color. We don't want the printer to print this rectangulars into another color. Once we do all that, we then highlight the whole section and we attach it. We then highlight it again and we're going to duplicate it 3 times so we can make 4 sheets. Once we do that, we're going to line them up under each other. And we're going to highlight 2 at a time. And we're going to center horizontal. And we're going to attach that. And then we're going to do the same thing on the other side. Making sure there's space between the sheets. So that there's space where the Cricut wood has enough space to cut it. And then we're going to attach it. And we're going to do the same thing with both. We'll measure them together, making sure there is a small space between them. And then we're going to highlight the whole thing and we're going to attach it. This will allow us to keep the 4 shapes or 4 sticker sheets in one. After this, we're going to go and create. If you receive this red exclamation point, all you do is let it auto resize it. It will resize it to the right size. Then we're gonna go and create. Then it will take us to the next screen. This is how it's gonna look when printed out. We're gonna continue and then we're gonna send it to the printer. We're gonna toggle off bleed and we're gonna toggle on the dialog and then we're gonna say print. It will open this dialog screen where you're gonna choose this preference. You're going to choose other matte inkjet paper and quality is best. And then we print it. Once it's printed out, we're going to go to our mat and we're going to place it in a mat. You can use the blue one or the green one. Blue one will be best. After this, we're going to get the laminated sheet. I actually got this Cricut package at Walmart. I'm also going to link it in the description. I will also link other ones similar that you can get in Amazon. And with your squishy, use it to layer it like this. Then you're going to use the roller to make sure it's stuck to the mat and place it into your Cricut machine. Then we're going to come back to the computer and we're going to choose printable sticker, gray liner. We're going to leave the pressure as default. Once you choose that preference, you're going to let the Cricut do its job. And there you have it. This is how you make Cricut sheets 4-in-1. If you would like to learn how to make die cut stickers, check out this video next.